Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you an extremely nice machine. This is a 2017 John Deere 331G rubber track skid steer loader. This thing is completely loaded up. Cab heat air, high flow, power attach, joystick control, AM/FM radio, cloth suspension seat, block heater, rear weight kit, the 18-inch wide tracker, 17.7 I think is what they call them. Chrome exhaust option, a really nice package machine here with 248 hours. That is correct. It is the real deal, 248 hours. This machine is a one owner. Gentleman got into some financial problems and needed to sell this machine to get another piece of equipment that he actually had a problem with that he replaced. So that's the story behind it. That's how I acquired it. It is all original machine, other than that bucket that we painted. That is the original John Deere C84 bucket for it. Very nice. It is a keyless also, has the hydraulic reversing fan. A really nice setup here. Again, 331G is a 92 horsepower machine. Again, this does have high flow, so if you guys want to run a mulcher or a high flow cutter, you can. Come on back here. This machine does have warranty. Extended hydraulic and powertrain warranty is good through September the 2nd of this year. And then emissions warranty on this particular machine is good to September the 2nd of 2022. And it also still has what they call undercarriage warranty through John Deere on the OEM rollers, idlers, and tracks, which it still has the OEM tracks on. So, underneath here, we're powered by Yanmar, a 92 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We did buy a complete filter kit from our John Deere dealer, and we have changed everything, including cabin filters. It is all changed and done. This does have the removable side panels here to get into both sides of the machine. Very clean in the engine compartment. Back here is your fan. Again, that is a hydraulically reversible fan, which is nice. You can blow your radiator out. It does have the rear weight kit on both sides. Coming up here, machine is in very nice condition. Again, it's got a couple little scratches on it, typical of a used machine, but it is a 248-hour machine. Tracks, again, OEM John Deere's, JD T361668 is the part number on the track. Both tracks are matched. Both tracks I'm going to estimate to be 85%. Balance of undercarriage is 90%. Extremely nice machine. There is a couple little paint loss areas. I'm going to just show you right here where some crap laid up on there. Typical of a track machine. But again, that's me being the right guy, an honest guy that I am, to tell you that. Okay? Up front, John Deere 84-inch, long bottom bucket. They call it a C84 with a bolt-on edge. Bucket's in excellent condition. I think this step right here has one little bend in it. Coming up front, actually let's come around this side. You will see both sides of the undercarriage are going to match, which they should, but we're showing you that to be honest again. Coming up front, this machine is going to have your auxiliary hydraulics. Now, keep in mind, back in the E-Series machines, they went back to this. Used to be you'd have 5-port hydraulic auxiliaries if you had a high flow and everything run here. The E-Series changed that, which all manufacturers are pretty much doing it. They are going back to a 1/2-inch high flow coupling. So your standard flow circuit's on here, your K-strain, and you are your standard 23.5 gallons a minute here. And then also on your high flow side, I'm going to say this is like 38 or 39 GPM. Off the top of my head, I can't remember. But you are going to service that from both the same ports, okay? Does have your 14-pin attachment control device plug. I don't know that it was ever used. And you do have what John Deere was common for using there for a long time on some of their attachment stuff is their 3-port pin. So it does have both attachment control devices in it. Power quick attach, everything there works exactly the way it is supposed to. Coming up front, you'll see going into the cab of the machine, cab door grab handles, everything is nice and straight. Again, the way it should be on a 248-hour machine. This does also have the heated and air ride seat in the suspension. Go ahead and take you in the cab of this machine. Rubber floor mat. Does have a tray here that is made to hold gloves and tape measures and a chain, anything like that you want to lay in there. Foot throttle. One really neat thing on the Deere, which we'll show you here in a second, but we'll go up here to the keyless dash. This is going to start it, shut it off. This is going to unlock everything. This will unlock just the hydraulics. Now we can go ISO, hand, or H pattern, or I believe they have one other control pattern on that. It is like a case, and I think they can change it again to something else, but there's like 3 settings on it. Let's see here, H pattern is selected and ISO is back, so it is just 2 patterns. They have a neat option. So here, where it's set on the RPM, you'll see I'm using the foot pedal. So I can change that, and I can go up here and I can run her up wide open on my knob. Then I can get down here to my foot throttle, and I can run that as a de-throttleizer, just like in a dozer. So that right there is some really cool thinking. Speed up, sensitivity on your joysticks, power attach, headlights, that's for auxiliary out on the 3-pin, auto reversing fan. This is your high flow. You'll see right here, it comes up, shows that. That's your high flow. AC, heat, radio. Matter of fact, we'll turn that down. We don't want any infringement on anything. We're going to go ahead and release this. You'll see right there, there's your 2-speed, 248 hours, 13.8 volt. I did put a brand new John Deere strong box battery in this also. Temperatures, RPMs, depth level. Let's go back here and let's go to main codes, active codes, no active codes. Let's go back one more. Stored codes, no stored codes. So, again, that shows you everything is up to snuff. You got your window and your washer. And the little washer just come off. I will take care of that. In the cab here, you got your horn. You have all your other buttons. Auxiliary hydraulics. They do have a very nice heated and ducted air system. We did put all new cabin filters in. Has a cab light, and then whenever you open your door, it will kick that on whenever it's shut off. Front and rear lights, or windows both open, which is nice in this machine. And up here you do have a toggle switch. So let me reset. Now, you can go into snail mode. You'll see that. You can dial this machine down, which is really nice to limit what you're doing, which is a very nice option, right back to 100%. Whenever you are done with that, I think if you press and hold it up, creep limiter, it'll go out of the creep limiter. Actually, if you pull your 2-speed, it'll take it out. Really nice option on the Deere. If you're doing a lot of precision grade stuff, you can actually go into that limiter and let it slow you down so that you can do a lot of nice precision work. I will fix this hose, whatever it needs there, we'll take care of that. And let me fire this machine up. We're going to fire it up, we're going to run it around, see it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll get down here and push with it for you. And understand this machine has warranty with it, so it's not like it's not a machine under warranty. So here we go. guys, we hope you can see here from the video, this machine starts, runs, works, handles. It does keep a courtesy light package on, which you can turn that on and off in the machine. What a nice handling machine. And I will say, and I've said this in many John Deere videos, if you go back and watch some of my stuff, John Deere has come to the game on these big track loaders and on their wheeled machine. They are a good machine. From the early 200 series and the 300 series, which they still smell like crap. I hate them. But these machines now, you know, from the D and newer, they are a tremendous, tremendous track loader and a wheeled machine. Very good machines. Very comfortable in the cab. That thing has that heated seat, which is really nice. But a lot of nice creature comforts that you're going to see in a big piece of equipment, not in the skid steer. Because you can see that machine, how it works. I mean, it pushes like a small dozer does. It is a very, very nimble, very responsive machine. And very easy to run, and that's what I really like about the Deere. And even on the service end, they are very easily serviced. So if you're looking for a big track loader, 92 horse machine, I think this weighs right around 11,800 pounds. Nice size machine here to take a look at. Power attach, EH, electric over hydraulic control, fully loaded cab heat air, high flow. It's got everything on it that you would ever want. So if you got any questions on this machine, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. If you have any questions, you want to come by and see us yourself in person, anything like that, you're more than welcome to do that. We have validated all the warranty, and we have that in the ad on the warranty date. So if you got any questions, again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.